Hello, welcome. I was just going to show you this quick tutorial on how I got this updo. I hope you enjoy and also subscribe. I don't like twist outs. I've always done it and just never turns out right, and I end up looking like a crazy person. So it wasn't different this time, and I don't even know why I was surprised actually, but I decided to come up with something. And yeah, that's I wanted to show you a background of what was happening before I came up with this hairstyle. And here we go. Very simple, and so enjoy. So I'm starting with an obviously disheveled hair, and then you pick the front section of your hair, just a small portion of it, and you set that aside. And then the rest of the hair is what you'd try to tie up in a bun. You can make it puffy at the top, or you can just cover up the ends however way you want it, but just pack it up. So you can place it in the middle or at the side, however way you want it, and you get a bobby pin to secure that. You need about 2 to do this, and just put that in place and adjust it however way you want. And I have this little one on the side because it's just small and cute, and it makes it more interesting. You can decide not to do that. And obviously you can use your gel for your edges. My edges were pretty good, so I don't really like using too much gel, to be honest. So I just use a little just to make it smooth. And there you go. Pretty easy, right? And it's so simple. If you can even add a scarf for a 1950s feel if you want. That'll be pretty cool. So there you go. I hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.